friends, welcome back to Mobitron. In this video, we can unbox and review the 1,15,000 rupees Acer Predator Helios 300. So let's unbox it. Now, let's first talk about the display of this gaming laptop. This laptop has a 15.6 inches Full HD LED display with 300 nits of peak brightness. And it is made up of IPS technology that supports up to 144 Hz of refresh rate, which is one of the most useful thing in a gaming laptop. The screen resolution is 1920 by 1080, which means it is not a 4K display. But as this is a gaming laptop, it is not much of a necessity. Inside this laptop, there is an Intel Core i7-10750H hexa-core processor with 2.60 GHz processor speed, and we can turbo boost it up to 5 GHz. And one thing which is most important in any gaming device is its graphic card. So here there is an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 with 6GB of dedicated GDDR6 graphic card. Considering the RAM, currently this laptop has 16GB of DDR4 RAM, but this device is upgradable up to 32GB of DDR4 RAM. And talking about storage, this has 1TB of 7200 RPM HDD plus 256GB of NVMe SSD for the operating system. There are two speakers located at the bottom sides of the laptop. This laptop has so many different stereo output modes, from where you can customize your audio output according to your need. This Acer Predator has the special LAN facility, which is known as wireless LAN killer, which will reduce ping and give a peak amount of internet speed. This comes with Wi-Fi 6, which is the latest Wi-Fi technology used in giving more Wi-Fi range and less lag while you are on Wi-Fi. And full detailed video on Wi-Fi 6 is coming soon, so make sure to subscribe the channel. And also, this laptop uses Bluetooth 5.0 for better connectivity between Bluetooth operated smart devices. For the inputs and outputs, this device contains so many ports like one HDMI port, two USB 3.2 generation 1 port, one USB Type-C port, and one USB 3.2 generation 2 port. As this is a huge laptop, there is so much amount of space available for the battery. Therefore, this has 4 cells of 58 Wh lithium-ion battery, which gives up to 7 hours of maximum runtime. And to charge this laptop faster, the company provides 230 watts of power supply right into the box. Predator Sense. This is a special software made by Predator, which you will never find in any other laptops. Therefore, to open this software, there is a special key in the keyboard placed right above the numpad. Basically, this software allows users to customize many things like lighting, overclocking, fan speeds, and many more. This is such an incredible thing because you can increase or decrease the RPM of fans, and you can overclock this laptop with just one click. By doing this, you can reach the peak level of performance on this laptop. As we talked about the customization of this laptop through Radiator Sense, the keyboard also comes with customizable RGB lights and with different modes like breathing, shifting, wave, neon and zoom. Not only the modes, but also you can change speed, direction and the color of the lights. And this laptop comes with a dedicated numeric keypad which helps in typing number much faster. Now let's talk about the trackpad. So this is a multi-gesture touchpad that supports 2-finger scrolling, pinching and multiple gestures, and the size of the trackpad is 5 inches. Talking about the performance, as this laptop has 6 GB of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 and Intel's Core i7 processor which can turbo boost it up to 5 GHz, there is no doubt that I have never found any lag in the high-end performance tasks like gaming, programming and graphic rendering. That is why I can definitely recommend this laptop for both gaming and personal use in this budget. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.